Hello there everyone and welcome to our marvellous monthly release for the month of January 2024. So first up we have our Craft Your Life project kit, and this is the Loving You. This is so pretty. So this is really heavy on the sentiments. The typography in this is really beautiful. So we have that large U and also the large love with the interwrapped kind of blossom on there, as well as some really great sentiments too. As well as the 6x8 stamp set, we also have a die set which coordinates, and that's going to cut out the two large typography sentiments that we have on the stamp set. We also have the simple colouring stencil, and in here we have 4 6x6 stencils, and they are going to colour the images that are wrapped around that large U and also the large love. We also have a 3D embossing folder in this collection, and this is going to coordinate beautifully with all of the sentiments that you have in the stamp set. You could also use this for backgrounds on all of different cards as well. It doesn't necessarily have to work with the stamp set. We are sure you're going to have so much fun with this one. Next up, we have our Build Garden, and this is the Daisy Crown. This is so pretty. So in the Build a Garden set, you're going to get this 6x8 stamp set. It has 2 large images on there, as well as a plethora of different sentiments. Inside the packaging, you can see that we do have the layering guide for the stamp set and also the coordinating stencil that works with it. As you can see here, we have the coordinating stencil. In here, we have 6 stencils, and these are 4x8. As well as the stamp set and also the simple colouring stencil set, you're also going to have this little mini blending tool with the bright white bristles, and they are so super stuff. So that's going to make your ink blending so easy to do. As well as that, we also have the add-on die set. So if you wanted to add this to the collection, it's going to cut out the large sentiments and also that beautiful image that we have in there. This is such an easy one to make beautiful cards with. Next up, we have the Crafter Flower, and this is Crafter Flower Pansies. In here, we have a number of different dies, and these are going to create 2 beautiful blooms as well as a lot of leaves. You can see that we do have the fabulous keyhole system on here, which is going to enable you to know which flower parts go together and also in which way they're going to go together too. Next up, we have our mini delight, and this is the Bountiful blooms. So in here we have a beautiful image of 2 stems with 2 different flowers on there. Both of the flowers and also the stems have 2 different layers on there, so you're going to stamp one and then the other detail layer on top. Really easy to do, a really great one for beginners, and you will also get the die set to cut out the image and also a coordinating sentiment. Next up, we have our dynamic duo, and this is fabulous. This is the Floral Whimsy. In here we have 2 different stencils, both of which are 6x6, and they have various parts of a beautiful design on them. In the set, we also have a coordinating 3x4 stamp set, and this is going to add beautiful details to the stenciled images that we have from the stencils, and we also get a little love you sentiment in there as well. As well as that, we also have an add-on die, and this is going to cut around that whole image in one go and cut out many different flowers and leaves in one detailed cut. Next up, we have a fabulous new subscription item, and this is the Stencil Art. Now this is really near and dear to our hearts. In here we have 6 stencils, which are going to enable you to layer up a beautiful image to use for all of your different projects. So in here you have 2 different bouquets. We have one really large one, which covers 5 stencils, and then we also have a smaller complementary bouquet, which has 1 stencil to complete that. You can use this for all of your different projects. So here is just a peek at some of the beautiful projects that our designers and guest designers came up with using the products from this release. We really do hope you've spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really soon. Bye bye. below there, did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.